How to use SVD inside keras layers? My aim is to use SVD to PCA whiten the latent layer before passing it to the decoder module of an autoencoder. I have used tf.lineage.svd, but it does not work since it does not contain necessary keras parameters. So as a workaround I was trying to wrap it inside lambda but got this error. Attribute error, tuple object has no attribute shape. I tried for example using SVD in a custom layer in keras/tensorflow, and did Google search for SVD in keras but could not find any answers. I have attached a stripped but functional code here. To reproduce the error, uncomment these lines and comment the one preceding it. z_decoded equals decoder widened underscore encoding s, u, v equals lambda lambda x, tf.lineage.svdx, computa underscore uv equals true sigma 2. I would appreciate it if someone could tell me how to wrap the SVD inside keras layers or an alternate implementation. Please note that I have not included the reparameterization trick to calculate the loss to keep the code simple. Thank you.
I solved the problem. To use SVD inside keras, we need to use the lambda layer. However, as lambda returns a tensor with some additional attributes, it is best to do additional work inside the lambda function and return a tensor. Another problem with my code was the combination of encoder and decoder model, which I fixed by combining the output of encoder to the input of decoder model. The working code is as follows. The output of running the code is as follows. I hope this helps.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.